In this video, I will show you how to log in Attijariwafa Bank of Europe. So friends, go to Google, search for Attijari Bank, click the first result here, and then choose the online services, or click on the official website here, and then choose the region European from here. After that, when you click, you will see this page. Click access your account, click access account here. And then when you click access your account, you will see this page, connect your account here. Just click access your account, write your username here, and then write your secret code. After that, click see connect here. So friends, this is for apps web. If you want to access your app, just click Attijariwafa and then click app. After that, click app. When you click this app, download this app on Google Play or App Store. After download this app, you can access through this option, access your account. You will see login page just like this. So guys, this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and share this video for more content, and see you in another video.